Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lawrence, and on behalf of my teammates, Prosper, Michael, Bettina, Abigail, and Patrick, I'm proud to introduce you to EduCircle. Our mission is simple yet profound: to transform education to unlock potential everywhere. Let's start with the core problem we are tackling. In Sub-Saharan Africa, education is often trapped by two major challenges: an over-reliance on rote learning and massive gap in resources between urban and rural schools. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a systemic failure. It stifles the very skills, critical thinking, and creativity that the next generation needs to thrive. It holds back not only the individual students, but entire nations. This directly addresses the global challenges and global opportunities, which is education. To make this real, I want you to meet Nelson. He is a bright high school student who represents millions of students we spoke to. He is curious and loves to learn, but he is frustrated. His school lacks basic resources, and his classes are built around memorizing facts. He also told us directly, "It's easier for me when I understand why it works. Just repeating it didn't help me." Nelson's goal isn't just to pass an exam, it's to understand the world truly. His frustration is our call to action. So on this slide, you could see two images showing some two differences between the urban classrooms and then the rural classroom. So as you can see, you can figure out the differences between these two classrooms. Next, you can see that we have a data and its chart indicating some outcomes here. So across every key indicator, from learning outcomes to facilities, urban areas consistently outperform rural areas. As research from UNESCO and the London School of Economics, it indicates that we are effectively operating two distinct educational systems. This is unsustainable and unjust reality. So how do we fix this? Our solution is EduCircle, a universally accessible web application designed for primary and secondary students. This isn't just about putting textbooks on the screen. Our platform is built from the ground up to replace memorization with engagement. We use interactive courses to cultivate critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. We chose this solution because it is scalable, cost-effective, and directly addresses the two core problems of outdated pedagogy and unequal access. Here's a glimpse of what EduCircle looks like. On the main dashboard, students can easily find their subjects. From there, they enter an interactive lesson page where a single concept is explained through video, text, and a quick quiz. Finally, our page, our progress page uses gamification like badges and points to keep students motivated. The entire experience is designed to be intuitive, engaging, and user-friendly. We didn't just guess what students need, we asked them. Two key themes emerged. First, the pain of unreliable internet requires a solution with offline functionality. As one student said, being able to use it at home without a connection will be incredibly helpful. Second, the pain of boring classes requires a solution with engaging interactive content. Students don't just want to learn, they want to play, explore, and be challenged in a fun way. This feedback is the foundation of our development. In response, we are taking two key actions. First, we are building an offline first application, making it accessible everywhere. And then, secondly, we are integrating multi language support to break down the language barriers students may face. So, what's our next step and what's our vision for the future? So, we are yet to launch this app, which is just the beginning. But with funding, we have a clear vision for growth. We'll start by expanding our content to cover the full curriculum. Next, we'll integrate an AI powered personal tutor. From there, we'll build a dedicated portal for teachers and support community learning hubs. And our ultimate goal is to launch a hardware initiative to get low cost, preloaded tablets into the hands of students who need them the most. This brings us back to our why. We believe a child's future should be defined by their imagination, not their geography. EduCircle is our bridge to that future. It connects the disconnected and then it transforms passive memorization into active understanding. By empowering every student to think, create, and succeed, we are not just building an app, we are building the foundation for a brighter and more equitable world. Thank you.